Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to study for IB Economics Paper 1. This guide will help you master the content and excel in your exams. We'll cover the paper's structure, essential content areas, and effective essay writing techniques. By following these steps, you can confidently approach Paper 1 and achieve an excellent score. Let's dive into the strategies that will make a significant difference in your preparation and performance. Paper 1 is divided into two distinct sections, microeconomics and macroeconomics. You are required to select and answer one question from each section, making a total of 2 essays. Each essay is weighted at 25 marks, contributing to a total of 50 marks for the entire paper. It's crucial to manage your time effectively, aiming to spend around 45 minutes on each essay to ensure comprehensive answers. To excel in Paper 1, a deep understanding of both microeconomic and macroeconomic content is essential. Ensure you thoroughly review all theories, models, and concepts, from market structures to fiscal policy. Practice applying these economic principles to various real-world situations, demonstrating your analytical skills. Don't forget to memorize key definitions and accurately draw and label all relevant diagrams, as these are vital for earning full marks. Effective essay writing is paramount for Paper 1 success. Structure your essays logically with a clear introduction, well-developed body paragraphs, and a concise conclusion. Always use precise economic terminology and ensure all diagrams are drawn accurately and fully labeled. Remember to present balanced arguments, evaluating different perspectives and their implications. Consistent practice with timed essays will significantly improve your speed, clarity, and overall quality, preparing you thoroughly for the exam.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.